Welcome back to another SellEton's Scales video. Today we're taking a look at our SL-7510C indicator. This is a very versatile unit because it works with a wide range of accessories. We offer multiple scoreboards that pair perfectly with it. This is our SL-910 indoor scoreboard, and we also have the SL-910X outdoor version, which is water resistant. It's also compatible with different printers, like our SL-412 thermal label printer and the SL-25T thermal printer. When you purchase this indicator from us, it includes a 5-pin cable to naked wire, so you can install it on any scale that has a junction box, whether it's a floor scale like this or a custom setup. You can also connect it to a bench scale by switching the cable head to the correct one for that unit. It comes with a charger and has a built-in battery. Right now, we're running a promo on this indicator. The normal price is $599, but today you can get it for $299. Head over to our website and take advantage of the deal. Thanks for watching.